Welcome back. Listen carefully, guess what you hear, and when the sentence appears, repeat after me. Let's begin. 1. I usually wake up earlier on weekdays. I usually wake up earlier on weekdays. I usually wake up earlier on weekdays. 2. She decided to learn English online last year. She decided to learn English online last year. She decided to learn English online last year. 3. My brother forgot to bring his wallet. My brother forgot to bring his wallet. My brother forgot to bring his wallet. 4. We were waiting for the bus when it started raining. We were waiting for the bus when it started raining. We were waiting for the bus when it started raining. 5. The meeting was canceled because of the weather. The meeting was canceled because of the weather. The meeting was canceled because of the weather. 6. She has been working here for 3 years. She has been working here for 3 years. She has been working here for 3 years. 7. I didn't understand the question at first. I didn't understand the question at first. I didn't understand the question at first. 8. They are planning to move to another city. They are planning to move to another city. They are planning to move to another city. 9. He was surprised by the final result. He was surprised by the final result. He was surprised by the final result. 10. We should finish the work before Friday. We should finish the work before Friday. We should finish the work before Friday. 11. She speaks more confidently than before. She speaks more confidently than before. She speaks more confidently than before. 12. I was tired, so I went to bed early. I was tired, so I went to bed early. I was tired, so I went to bed early. 13. The train arrived later than expected. The train arrived later than expected. The train arrived later than expected. 14. He apologized for being late to the meeting. He apologized for being late to the meeting. He apologized for being late to the meeting. 15. 15. I'm trying to improve my listening skills. I'm trying to improve my listening skills. I'm trying to improve my listening skills. 16. She turned off her phone during the class. She turned off her phone during the class. She turned off her phone during the class. 17. We didn't realize how far the place was. We didn't realize how far the place was. We didn't realize how far the place was. 18. He was looking for a job at that time. He was looking for a job at that time. He was looking for a job at that time. 19. I had never tried that food before. I had never tried that food before. I had never tried that food before. 20. She explained the rules very clearly. She explained the rules very clearly. She explained the rules very clearly. 21. We decided to stay at home instead. We decided to stay at home instead. We decided to stay at home instead. 22. He felt nervous before giving the presentation. He felt nervous before giving the presentation. He felt nervous before giving the presentation. 23. I forgot to reply to her message. I forgot to reply to her message. I forgot to reply to her message. 24. They were discussing the problems seriously. They were discussing the problems seriously. They were discussing the problems seriously. 25. Learning English takes time and practice. Learning English takes time and practice. Learning English takes time and practice. Great work! If you completed this part, like this video and subscribe for more listening practice. And comment, I'm ready for the next part.